Hello! You're welcome to solve this math problem, which is t power 2 minus t power 3 equals 12. Do you know, guys, how to find the values of t from this equation? If no, then no worries, we will solve it together. Now move to the solution. From this problem here, in the first step, we'll take 12 to the left side. So we start by this, which is t power 2 minus t power 3. We take 12 to this side to be minus 12, equals 0. Then in the next step, it will be t power 2 minus t power 3 minus, here 12 we split according to this corresponding two exponents. So 12 is same as 4 plus 8, bracket, equals 0. Then it will be t power 2 minus t power 3. We take negative inside the bracket, so it will be minus 4. Here it will be minus 8, equals 0.
Then it will be t to the power 2 minus t to the power 3. Then convert minus 4 into exponent 4. It is 2 to the power 2. This minus 8 into exponent of 8, that is 2 to the power 3, equals 0. Then with same powers we place together. So with like power of 2 together. So we start by this, which is t to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 2, bracket. Then with large power of 3 together. So you start by this, which is minus t to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 3 equals 0. Then it will be as, into here, we take negative outside the bracket. So minus into t to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 3 brackets equals 0. Then from this part here, it is now in the form of difference of two squares. So from this part, we'll apply difference of two square rule, which is a squared minus b squared equals a plus b, a minus b. And from this part here, t cubed plus 2 cubed, this part here is in the form of addition of 2 cubes. So it is in the form of a cubed plus b cubed equals a plus b, a square minus ab plus t square.
Then in the next step, from this part here is in this form. Then we change into this form. A plus b, it will be t plus 2. So here it is t plus 2 bracket. A minus b, it will be t minus 2. So t minus 2 bracket. Then minus into this part is in this form. Then we change into this form. So a plus b, it will be t plus 2. So here bracket t plus 2 bracket. Again bracket t squared. Then minus, it is 2t. Then plus b squared, it will be 2 squared, which is 4. Bracket equals 0.
Then in the next step here, t plus 2 is coming twice. So from here, t plus 2 is common. So we take t plus 2 out of bracket. Then remaining these here, this t minus 2 bracket, and here minus this, it is quadratic expression. So write this here, it will be t squared minus 2t plus this 2 squared equals 4, bracket closed, equals 0. Then it will be t plus 2 bracket. Here, open the brackets. It will remain same, t minus 2. Now open this bracket by negative. It will be negative t squared, minus and minus, it will be plus 2t, minus and positive will be negative 4. Bracket closed equals 0.
Then it will be t plus 2, bracket. Here we add the same. Okay, it will be negative t squared. Then t plus 2t, it will be plus 3t. Negative 2 minus 4, it is negative 6. Bracket equals 0. Then from here, we have two solutions, whereas this first solution of t plus 2 equals 0, or second solution of negative t squared plus 3t minus 6 equals 0. Then to solve from this first solution, we'll take 2 to the right side. So it will be t equals negative 2. So this is the first value of t. Okay, now move to our second solution.
So here we have to make this positive. So we will multiply the whole equation by -1. So negative t squared times -1, it will be positive t squared. Then 3t times -1, it is negative 3t. -6 times -1, it is plus 6, equals 0 times -1 equals 0. Then in the next step, from this quadratic equation here, we'll solve this by using quadratic formula. Whereas from here, t squared coefficients, a equals 1, coefficient of t squared, it is 1, and b equals -3, coefficient of t, it is -3, and c equals 6, constant, which is 6.
Ah, okay. Now to find the values of t from quadratic formula. T, it will be t equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So it will be t equals minus b. It will be minus b, here it is minus 3, plus minus b squared, it will be minus 3 squared. Minus 4 times a, it is 1, times c, it is 6. Then over 2 times a, it is 1. Then it will be t equals negative negative to be positive 3, plus minus square root. Minus 3 squared, it is positive 9, minus 4 times 6, it is minus 24. Then over, it is 2 times 1, 2. Then it will be t equals 3 plus minus square root. Here 9 minus 24, it is minus 15. Then over this 2. Then in the next step, it will be t equals 3 plus minus square root 15 times -1, which is same as minus 15. Then over this 2. Then it will be t equals 3 plus minus this square root of 15 minus 1. Here minus 1, it is iota. As we know, iota equals minus 1. Then over this 2. So from here, we have two complex solutions. If you remember, first is t equals minus 2, as the first value of t1 is equal to, which is real solution. So t1 equals minus 2. The second value of t is equal to. When it is positive, it will be t2 equals 3 plus under root 15 iota over 2. The third value of t is equal to. When it is negative, it is t3 equals 3 minus under root 15 iota over 2. So these are all the values of t into this our problem, whereas we have one real solution and two complex solutions.
Now let's check for this real solution, which is -2. Now to check for t equals -2, now into our problem we choose t squared minus t cubed equals 12. So no, this is not x, we are checking for t, so it will be -2. Rewrite the question, t squared minus t cubed equals 12. So here, put the value of t, which is -2. So parentheses -2 squared minus, then parentheses -2 cubed, is it equal to this 12? Then -2 squared, it is positive 4, then minus, bracket -2 cubed, it is -8, then is it equal to 12? Then negative and negative, it will be positive, so it will be 4 plus 8, is it equal to 12? Now 4 plus 8, it is 12, equals 12. So verified. When left side and right side are equal, then it is true for the value of t, it is -2. Also, these two complex solutions are correct. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these tips to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Mwah.